Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to check washers, gaskets, clutches, keys, jibs, cotter, etc. and replace them.
Objectives. At the end of this video, you can be able to replace washer on gasket, replace clutch and keys, replace jib, cotter and circlip, replacing the above components. Replacing washer. Remove nut using correct size spanner. Remove the worn out washer from the assembly. Place the correct size washer. Tighten the nut with washer. Skill sequence. Types of washers. Objectives. This will help you to state the purpose of washers, identify the types of washers, state the uses of each type of washers, specify the washers as per BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. Purpose. It is a common practice to provide washers under the note in bolted joints. Washers help to increase the frictional grip, prevent damage to the workpiece, and distribute force over a large area, prevent loosening of nuts due to vibrations. Types of washers. There are different types of washers available. They are plain or flat washers, taper washers, spring washers, tab washers, tooth lock washers. Plain or flat washers. These washers are used for bolting assemblies with fair surfaces. The diameter, thickness, and the bore diameter are proportional to the diameter of the bolt, IS 2016. Plain washers are available as machined or punched washers. Machined washers. These washers are used for assemblies using machine components. These washers are available with chamber on one side or on both sides. They are heat treated or ground punched washers. These do not have chambers and are most commonly used in structural fabrication work. Tapered washers. These are used in structural assemblies with tapered surfaces like inside of I-beams, channels, etc. These washers help the bolt head or nut to seat square to the hole. Spring washers. Spring washers are used under nuts to prevent slackening of the nuts due to vibrations. They are made of spring steel and when compressed, they create tension between the bolt and the nut. Tab washers. These washers are used for locking the nuts. Tooth-locked washers. These washers have serrations, cut and twisted. When placed between the nuts and the assembly, these washers exerts friction on both the contacting surfaces. This prevents the nuts from slackening. Specifications. The Indian Standard IS 2016-1967 designates a washer by name, type, size and number of the standard and material. Example, a machined washer of size 10.5 mm made of brass shall be designated as machined washer 10.5 IS 2016 brass. Note, for detailed specification of different type of washers, refer to the following IS specifications. Taper washer IS 5374 and IS 5372. Tab washer IS 8068. Tooth lock washer IS 5371. Plain washer IS 2016. Replacing gasket. Remove the damaged gasket. Clean the surface of the base and the cover plate. Place the gasket on the base plate and press firmly. Assemble the circuit. Adjusting the clutch. Remove the both side covers of feed gear box using Allen keys after switch off the power supply. Remove the terminals by using suitable spanner. Use a bent tubular spanner to remove the carbon brushes. Remove the circuit from the spline shaft. Take out the clutch with spline shaft from the unit by using M12 bearing puller set. Place the assembly on workbench. Clean it properly. If not getting proper engaging and disengaging of clutch, dismantle the clutch unit and remove clutch plate. Identify the flowing electrical and mechanical faults. Check the gap with feeler guards between clutch plates and ensure that the gap should be as mentioned by the original equipment manufacturer. Check the spline shaft and ensure that the splines are proper. Assemble all the parts and once again check the unit on a workbench. If found satisfactory working of clutch assembly, mount it into the feed gearbox of machine. Seated the circlip, carbon brushes and terminal. Fix the side covers by using Allen key and check the working of clutch assembly by switch on the machine. Adjust clutch pressure. Objective. This will help you to adjust the pressure of a multi-disc clutch. Switch off the electrical mains of the lathe before opening the lid of the headstock. Remove the top lid of the lathe headstock by unscrewing the Allen head bolts. Take out the clutch lever along with the lid. Release the index pin from the annular disc. Rotate the annular ring to get the desired friction. If the nut is tightened too much, the friction will be more and vice versa. Insert the index pin to the annular disc hole through the adjusting nut firmly. Replace the gasket of the top lid. Assemble the top lid by keeping the clutch lever in position. Tighten the Allen screws of the lid using the Allen key. Test the functioning of the clutch in engaging and disengaging positions.
I hope you can check washers, gaskets, clutches, keys, jibs, cotters, and other components after viewing this video and replace or repair them as necessary. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day.